Good morning. Today we will be presenting on our project the determination of variable star type of V1726 SIG using its light curve. We researched on the determination of certain characteristics of variable stars such as pulsation period and magnitude in order to aid in the reaching of our aim. For the first stage of methodology, we made use of an online robotic telescope, iTelescope. iTelescope is an online robotic telescope service which allows users to observe or do imaging online at various locations around the world. After obtaining the images, we first converted the images which were originally in FITS format to JPEG, and then make use of the software VFORT to conduct differential photometry on it in order to get the apparent magnitude of the star and plot out the points on the graph. We then plot out the points on the graph magnitudes against phase. This would give us a graph that looks something like this. From the graph, we will only be able to roughly estimate the period after the addition of modeled points, which would give us a pulsation period of 0.4 days in terms of phase. The apparent magnitude range of the star is relatively small, ranging from approximately 8.5 to 9.5, meaning that the variable star is a small amplitude variable star. To verify our results, we check with the SIMBAT database, which roughly corresponds to the apparent magnitude range that we were able to observe. However, it is to be noted that the pulsation period we observed is completely different and should be investigated further upon as to why we have such a drastic difference. To roughly determine the type of variable star it is, we can eliminate the obvious candidates first, such as eclipsing binary, which is known for its distinct like plateau shape at the top during the eclipse. We can also eliminate irregular variable stars because of the regular magnitude range. Our target changes to and fro, and the star is also not an eruptive variable star because it does not have hidden bursts in terms of magnitude, hence narrowing it down to a pulsating variable star, and along with a small amplitude of the light curve due to the small magnitude range, we can call V1726 SIG a small amplitude pulsating variable star. Further subtypes are harder to determine. In conclusion, while we did not manage to get a very concrete graph that we could use for period analysis, we did manage to somewhat decipher that V1726 SIG was a pulsating variable due to the small range of its apparent magnitude. We hope to make further improvements on our project and get better and more accurate results during differential photometry. Thank you.